We often view fruit through the lens of caloric fuel, a quick hit of natural sugar and a few basic vitamins to get through the afternoon. But the simple acts of breathing and eating cause the body to accumulate what functions as biological rust. This buildup includes oxidative stress, hardened mineral deposits, and stagnant digestive waste that settles into your internal systems over time. To counter this, our bodies utilize food as a form of organic machinery, using specific bioactive compounds to actively repair and maintain our internal architecture. By looking at the human body as a managed system, we can track 5 specific fruits as they act as targeted maintenance crews. We'll follow their path through the gut, the kidneys, the blood vessels, the lungs, and finally, the microscopic cells. Approaching nutrition this way shifts eating from a passive habit into a series of deliberate choices to support your body's vital functions. The tour begins in the digestive tract, the high-traffic processing center where your body breaks down everything you consume. Inside the intestinal walls, a banana functions as a physical sweep. It is packed with pectin and resistant starch, specialized fibers that act like a biological broom, clearing away the stagnant particles that slow down your digestion. These same fibers simultaneously feed your beneficial gut bacteria. As your microbiome consumes this starch, the bacteria multiply, creating a protective barrier that supports the health of your intestinal lining. Moving deeper into the body's filtration system, we reach the kidneys. The kidneys constantly manage calcium levels, but when microscopic crystals collide and fuse, they solidify into painful, jagged structures known as kidney stones. This is where lemons execute a chemical defense. The citrate in lemon juice works by binding directly to calcium in the urine, neutralizing its jagged edges so the building blocks of stones can't link together. For stones that have already begun to form, the citrate creates a smooth, frictionless coating. This makes the crystal too slippery for other particles to attach to, preventing it from growing larger. Between the physical clearing in the gut and the chemical defense in the kidneys, your body's waste management remains operational and efficient. Next, we move into the cardiovascular system, the delivery highway responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen to every organ. Watermelon supports this highway by delivering the amino acid L-citrulline. Once ingested, your body rapidly converts it into L-arginine, a key molecule for circulatory health. As L-arginine levels rise, they trigger vasodilation. This is the physical widening of blood vessel walls, relaxing the tension in your arteries and opening up the central channel for better flow. With the highway open, circulation improves and blood pressure stabilizes. This allows a smooth surge of oxygen-rich blood to reach your working muscles more efficiently. Traveling upward, we enter the respiratory system. The lungs are on the front lines, constantly filtering out environmental smog and particulate matter from the air we breathe. To protect this intake, apples provide a specialized flavonoid called quercetin. This compound acts as a cellular guard, reinforcing the membranes of your lung tissue. Quercetin works by lowering oxidative stress in the lungs, deflecting the damage caused by pollution and preventing your airways from overreacting to external irritants. Maintaining wide circulatory highways and reinforced respiratory shields ensures your body can distribute energy and defend itself against the outside world. The final stop on our tour pushes past the organs and zooms into the microscopic level to see where the body's building blocks are maintained. Dates function as a deep repair crew at this level, providing more than just energy to the cells. They deploy high concentrations of polyphenols and flavonoids that travel through your system, actively intercepting the unstable oxidative stress particles that cause cellular damage. Neutralizing these particles helps preserve the health of your cell membranes. This process maintains the structural integrity of your tissues, slowing the accumulation of the cellular wear and tear that leads to long-term physical decline. Longevity relies on this ability to maintain the body at its deepest layers. ensuring each individual cell can continue to function as intended. Now that we've seen the microscopic level, we can pull back and see the entire human machine operating in synchronization. These fruits, apples, lemons, watermelon, bananas, and dates, work together as a targeted maintenance routine for your internal systems. Understanding the science of the bite allows you to stop viewing food as just a meal. It gives you the ability to eat with intention, selecting the specific tools your body needs to function at its peak. Take a look at your own internal map today. Which of these 5 specialized tools is your body asking for right now? The specific nutrients needed to support and maintain your internal systems are already sitting on your kitchen counter.